Is your next goal to understand native speakers and media in the language that you are learning? Then LangMagic is a tool for you. LangMagic is an extensive toolset for finding and working with native content like YouTube videos. It is a platform that connects language teachers, content creators, and language learners. And the best part, the toolset is completely free, giving you access to a wide range of content. Yet, you can subscribe and support your favorite teacher creators so that they can continue creating valuable content that will break your intermediate barrier and immerse you into the native content. And if you're a teacher, you can monetize your skills by contributing your materials to our platform. Want to learn more? Sign in with Google and get started.